What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and we are on the road again. Lots of major news coming up for you guys this coming week, so I need you guys to stay tuned. We're going to be in a new city, new shop, and just crazy things coming soon. But today, we're going to talk about the cheapest Porsche Taycan that you can buy right now. That is right, guys. Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Today we have a Porsche Taycan. This is almost like a $300,000 electric car that is going for less than a third of the price of the car right now. $88,000. Now, that's a lot of money for a lot of you guys. I understand it. I respect that. But here's the thing, it does have undercarriage damage. We're going to look at it here in just a minute. It does have undercarriage damage. It does have that issue. But all the parts that are needed to fix it come with the car. So you're not having to spend like $40,000 on parts to fix it. It's literally just you putting your sweat equity in and fixing the car. That's ridiculous. So not a super long video today, guys. We're going to go ahead and jump directly into it. Let's look at this Porsche, and then you guys can tell me whether you guys think it's worth it or not. All right, guys, here you go. Look at this 2021 Porsche Taycan Turbo. Now, this is that electric Porsche, which is reportedly pretty on par and comparable with the Tesla Model S Plaid. And this thing is pretty clean. Now, I believe the retail value on this thing is almost 300 grand. All the parts you would need to fix the undercarriage are here, right? So it comes with all of the parts, and it does not look bad, man. It really looks clean. I mean, she really looks good here. I am a little shocked. I'm a little shocked here. And if it's all undercarriage damage, this is not horrible. 88,000, huh? Interesting. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. So there you guys have it. That is right now the absolute cheapest Porsche Taycan Turbo that you can get your hands on right now in the country, that moves under its own power. This thing looks like a perfect rebuild project. I've looked at all the photos in detail. I see no body damage on this car, not even on the front splitter or nothing. It must have been like it ran over something, and as it was driving over something like pierced something under the car, something like that. Who knows? But the very enticing thing for me about this car is that all of the parts that you would need to fix it are already there. You can't beat that. That's content gold. Now, I know you guys are saying, well, TK, it's in Atlanta, it's close to you, you should buy it. I just dropped a lot of money on another car which you guys have not seen yet. And I need to keep that liquid availability to be able to bid on the Green Monster, which is coming up on Monday. So I can't really shoot hard at something like that right now, being that I just spent over what this car is going for on something else in Las Vegas. Yeah. Yep. And this will be the most expensive rebuild ever for me. And I think you guys are going to enjoy it. Some people already know what it is, because some people already said, I was watching the auction, and when I saw the North Carolina flag come up, I knew immediately it was you. And I was like, no comment. It wasn't me. And that's crazy, man. You know, some of you internet detectives, they literally called up somebody was able to look online and find out what the name of my business is, my license, where my business license is. And then they called up to ask how much I owed to buy the car. That's how they figured out it was me that bought this car out in Vegas. And then they messaged me on Facebook, and I was like, damn, bro, quit being Sherlock Holmes, man. And you're calling impersonating me to find out how much the car is. That's messed up, man. Don't do that. That's not cool. So I'm going to have to put like security controls or something on my account with COPART so that if anybody calls, they just don't give any information over the phone, I guess. We'll see. But anyways, there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I think this Porsche at its current price isn't bad. I think it could be a pretty solid deal for somebody, even if they don't do it for YouTube. I mean, monetarily, if you just fix it, you know, let's say you get it for 80 and then after fees, you know, in your time or whatever, and you're still under 100 for a brand new Porsche Taycan Turbo, I think you're doing pretty good on that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Major shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Coinbase. Right now, guys, if you sign up for a Coinbase account, they are giving you guys $10 in Bitcoin by using the link in the description down below. But not just that. When you sign up for an account right now, they have all these, what they call these little mini classes in. They take about 30 seconds each to go through to learn about different cryptos. They're giving away free crypto of all these different cryptos. When it's all said and done at today's price and around today's market, you get somewhere between the free Bitcoin and everything else. Before you invest $1 of your own money, they're giving you damn close to $35 for free. Like $35 in free money. And the thing with the crypto is you don't have to hold it for 30 days. You don't have to wait like stocks and stuff for a couple days. You can immediately turn around and put all of that crypto into Bitcoin, sit on it if you want, or you could sell it for cash and export that money to your bank account. It is absolutely free. I highly recommend that you go check out Coinbase. Link in the description down below. You can follow me over on my second channel, More with TK. I will be giving out, I'm going to start doing the daily crypto hits in the mornings as I go about my day. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for me. My battery is almost dead on this thing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Fuck your life! Bing bang!